Hi everybody, it's Lynn from Lynn's Crafts Designs. I'm coming by today to do this honey pot mold. Well, that's what I call it anyway. I'm going to do it like a cauldron. I'm sorry, it was like that. I'm going to do it like a cauldron. I know I throw some weird stuff at you. I'm going to put just the tiniest bit of this copper colored, orange colored, whatever you want to call it, colored glitter. I don't know which ones I'm going to use. The tiniest bit. Okay. And then I'm going to color the resin with, this is some black or charcoal gray, whatever color, mica powder. And this is a really, really dark, rich, it's a purple. The only way I can describe it is to show it to you. Okay, it comes off almost black. Okay, I'm gonna I got 6 ounces of resin that has been sitting about 10 minutes. It's not even starting to get warm yet. I really want to wait about at least 10 more minutes. Okay? And then I'll come back and we'll mix some colors together. Okay? Alright. I'll be back. Okay. I'm pretty impatient. This is that macro copper. Oh, way too much. Okay, the tiniest little bit. Okay. Same thing with these glitters. Literally the tiniest little bit. Okay, that one was the it's kind of a fall color. It's got reds and oranges and and then this one. This one is a very red orange. Okay, that's all I'm gonna put. Okay. Then the mica powders. I want to put a pretty good healthy two scoops. I was just telling my husband, he was complaining about how hard these mica powders are to open. He was altering a fishing lure, and I said, boy, you ought to try to open them with gloves on. Okay. That is so perfect. The glitter is very subtle. The purple, I'm really surprised you can see the purple that well. That is spectacular. Okay. I think it's gonna be perfect. While I decide where I want them. Okay, now, weirdly enough, I'm gonna do the pot first, because I do not remember how much it takes. Okay. Yep, I hear my husband coming back, so it must be time. Oh, yeah. Almost exactly 6 ounces. Come on. Okay. Seem to have gone all the way around. I'm going to use the long neck lighter on these, and then I'm going to put them on the rack to dry. Then I'll be back. Okay. Now, we've got a couple of bubbles on the lid. Okay. Okay. I like it. Now, the downfall to this mold, I've always found, is that your glitter will sink and go to the bottom of the jar lid. So you don't actually see very much of it on the top. Now, I did give a little bit of a dome to this top, but it will still need a doming layer, not only to cover those, well, to fix those, but I want to put a vinyl on the top. Okay, so I'm loving that color. That purple is sweet. Okay. Now the first thing I can hear you say is how much trouble this will be to demold. Just going to release it around the bottom. Okay, then I'm going to try and get it to release further down. And not break my fingernail. That might be the tricky part. Ow! Yeah. Alright, I got that bowl. Oh yeah. Alright. Now we got it. Okay. Oh yeah. Actually did it on camera. Now, this is another one that I want to give you a warning about using alcohol to assist in a mold release. You can see it's nice and shiny. Nice and shiny. But around here, around this bottom edge, it's a little, well, besides it's got bubbling, which just happens, but it's a little bit matte. And that's what the alcohol can do to your mold. And it does it to the mold, not just the piece. So once it's done it, it's there. Okay? Just all the way around. Now I'll just give that inside a squeeze. And then it will turn right out. I'm getting it to go back in is another story. There we go. Now, as we can see, we had a little bit of settling of the glitter, but not too bad. It's just a faint glitter, which is kind of what I wanted. Now, around this top edge right here, there's a bubble right there. Oh, that's the only place. There it is. Okay, like I said, I'm going to put a decal of some sort, a vinyl decal of some sort, on top of there. It will need to be a lighter color, like a white, maybe a gold. Oh, that's nice. Okay. Now now we've got a couple of bonuses. I don't know that I've ever demolded one of these on, yeah, on that fall trinket dish. Oh, come on, just sacrifice the fingernail.